In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate email in ClickUp. So by integrating email in ClickUp, you'll be able to send emails to anyone outside ClickUp. And this can straight be done from ClickUp workspace. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so what you need to do is to go and log into your ClickUp account and then head over to this account name here. From this, click on settings, and then under settings, go ahead and look for the option called email integration. Now, if you click on this, now here you are told by choosing any of these emails, you'll be able to send email to anyone outside ClickUp. You're told email replies update in real time. You can reply from here or from your normal email client. And among types of emails you can integrate is Google Mail, Microsoft Exchange Server mails, and IMAP mails. So that's how you can integrate these emails. So choose the one you want. For instance, if you want to integrate with the Google Mail, this will redirect you to your email list. Choose the one you want to integrate and then just click on continue, and then go ahead and check this box, view your email messages, send email on your behalf, and see and download your contacts. Go ahead and check on all of them like this, and then scroll down and click on continue to complete integration. Now this will go ahead and now integrate your email to ClickUp. You'll also get an email notification that you have successfully integrated this email in ClickUp. So that's how you can integrate your email in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.